All right, here's a question where you're asked to simplify this. They give you an expression, this one, and then they say they want you to figure out what the value of this function f is when you plug in the a plus h in, and then they want you to find the value of that expression when you plug just an a in, and then they want you to subtract those two. So let's do each one separately. Let's just do f of a plus h first. So everywhere there's an x, I'm plugging in an a plus h. So a plus h here, minus 2 times a plus h, plus 2. This I'm going to have to FOIL out, so there's two of them, a plus h. This one I can multiply through, so it's minus 2a minus 2h plus 2. Okay, to FOIL this, I'm going to get a squared plus ah plus another ah, so that'd be plus 2ah plus h squared minus 2a minus 2h plus 2. Any like terms? Yeah, I'm not seeing any. All right, so that's just this part. Now let's figure out, I'll do it right underneath. Figure out what f of a is. So f of a, I'm just plugging an a in everywhere I see an x up there. So it'd be a squared minus 2 times a plus 2. So that's a squared minus 2a plus 2. So now they want us to subtract those two. So I'd have to take this one and subtract that one. Careful, because it's a dirty, rotten, filthy, stinking negative question. So the first one would be a squared plus 2ah plus h squared minus 2a minus 2h plus 2 minus the next one, a squared minus 2a plus 2. This is a dirty negative here, so I need to apply that to each term in the next thing. So I'll just drop brackets, leave the first one alone. Where am I? 2a minus 2h plus 2 minus a squared plus 2a minus 2. Okay, now see if I can combine anything. Looks like this a squared and that a squared will cancel out. Anything else? Oh, yeah, the 2a minus 2a and plus 2a gone. And it looks like the 2 and the minus 2 are gone. So in the end, I'm left with 2ah plus h squared minus 2h, and that's it. So I think that that's where I would finish. Let me just look back at the question. Hopefully that was one of the answers. 2ah plus h squared. Yeah, that's one of the answers. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.